Hello everyone! So today I'm gonna introduce you the stuff that we bought at Harry Potter Studios, like some snack, all of that. So let's start it. And let me know in the comments if you already tried one of these. Okay, so we are gonna start with the jelly bean. This one. I tried it very long time ago. Not the best memory I had. Yeah. But how am I supposed to open this? Oopsie. I'm gonna destroy everything. Yeah. Oh. It's quite a lot. ASMR time. Yeah, there's like the taste of each jelly. Not sure I want to know. Yeah. Yeah, better not to see. Yeah, we're gonna have a surprise, I guess. I'm gonna show you. Some colors you don't feel like trying, but I'm gonna start with like a pink one. Like this one. This one tastes okay, I think. Right. This one is candy floss. That's good. Yeah, better not to watch the rest. Oh, sticky. Let's try this green. Tastes like grass. Right. It's grass. Yeah. Not like in a bad way, like still okay. Not the worst. Let's try this blue one. I like the color of it. I like it. It's not bad. A blueberry. Yeah. Okay, so I think I need to try the red colors now. For example, this gray and black ones. Oh, I think it's paper. Oh yeah, it's paper. I think black pepper. I'm good at this. Now let's try paper. Oh, it's like pinky one with some strange stain on it. Oh, the paper is still in my mouth. Chewing gum. A gum, I think. What is it? That one was tutti frutti. Yeah. Anyway, there is a lot to try. There is like 20 flavors in total. I'm just gonna name you some. There's a lot of bad ones. Not sure which one I want to try. Soap, maybe. This one is soap. Okay. Last one for this stuff. I think it's earwax. I thought it was soap. Or it's earwax. I need to throw it away. I'm not eating it. No. You want to try maybe? Oh. You need to try this one later. It's not leaving my mouth. Can you give me some water, please? Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, let's try some chocolate, I think. Done for this one for now. Too many to try, and I don't want to end up being sick. It's terrible. It's still sticky. Okay, this one is a frog-shaped milk chocolate. You know, the famous one that you see on the movie that Harry is eating. Oh my god, I cannot wait to have something good, because for now, yes. Fancy box. Wow, it's huge! Wow. Full size keguli. I didn't expect that big. And in each kind of box like this one, you get like a special card. And we got yes, moving. In Asia, Wildsmith. In Asia, Wildsmith was a witch who created flu powder. In case you didn't know, I didn't know. So let's try the frog. It's big, it's heavy. Oh wow. Look at the size of it. Like the size, oh, it's hot, so it's kind of melting fast in here. Yeah, okay, wow. Should I just bite into it? Yeah. Much better than this. And yeah, it's just like Easter chocolate. It's good. Much more my style. Strangely. Chocolate everywhere. And cool. So, just showing you this one, not gonna try because it's a gift for someone. It's milk chocolate covered honeycomb. Yeah, looks quite good. And it's a butterbeer cup that we had at the studio. Butterbeer is not really my style. Yeah, I didn't expect it to be like this kind of taste. Not gonna spoil, but yeah. And our passport that we complete. Yeah. So yeah, that's it for the little mukbang of Harry Potter snack. See you next time. Bye bye.